In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect a broker and TradingView. By the end, you'll have your brokerage account securely connected to TradingView so you can manage positions and place orders directly from the chart. First, log into your TradingView account and open a chart. From the home page, click into any symbol from your watch list or use the search bar at the top, then open the full chart view. You should see the price chart, your watch list, and the toolbar around the chart area. Next, open the trading panel. Move to the bottom of the screen and click the Trading Panel tab. This expands a panel that lists all available broker integrations. Give it a second to load so you can see the official broker tiles. Now, select your broker. Scroll through the list to find your provider, such as Owanda, Tradovate, or Interactive Brokers. When you locate your broker, click the Connect button on that tile. You'll see a secure login window open. This is where you'll authenticate your brokerage account. From here, log in with your brokerage credentials. In the pop-up, carefully enter your username or email and your password exactly as you use them with your broker. If your broker has multiple environments, the window may display that. Keep the login details private and double-check for typos before you continue. When you're ready, click to sign in inside that window. Next, authorize the connection. Many brokers require two-factor authentication for security. If prompted, complete 2FA by entering the code from your Authenticator app or text message. After that, review the permissions screen. Approve the requested access, so TradingView can read your account and place orders on your behalf. This is necessary for TradingView to link to your broker and let you trade from the chart. Confirm the authorization to proceed. Once that's done, verify the connection in the trading panel. You should now see a green indicator next to your broker's name showing that you're connected. The status may display as connected, and you may also see your account details, such as account name or balance, depending on the broker. On the chart, your trading buttons and order panel will be active, allowing you to manage positions and place orders directly from TradingView. If you see the green indicator and the trading controls are enabled, your broker connection is ready. At this point, your TradingView broker connection is complete. You opened a chart, accessed the trading panel, selected your broker, logged in through the secure window, authorized the connection with any required two-factor authentication, and confirmed the green connected status in the panel. You can now trade from the chart with your connected broker. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.